Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today we had amazing volatility, especially the yen pair, and amazing profit. Most of my traders bank amazing 200 pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. And yesterday I haven't broadcast my analysis review because we had a Thanksgiving holiday in US, so market was quiet, so I just had a relaxed evening yesterday. All right, so today we had a beautiful trade, especially at the Asian session, and till this morning and afternoon, amazing trades as you can see here. All right, let's see the 4-hour chart in Euro USD. As you can see, beginning of the week we were short and banked beautiful pips. If you haven't seen my previous analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So we have taken all the short trades here. So when the price developed this scenario, so we explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break above, then this is a sign of reversal, and I'm probably gonna be taking a long trade here because we had an early sign, this falling wedge. We explained to my trader possibility price might going to reverse, but we need a valid technical entry, and that's what we explained to my trader. If the price is going to develop double bottom, or if the price is going to break the recent high or triple bottom or inverted head and shoulder pattern, that's what exactly we're looking. Or if the price is developing it high, as you can see here, this is the low and this is the high is developed, and that's what I explained to my trader. So we have this long trade yesterday, bank beautiful pips, and explained to my trader, look for another pullback. As you can see, we have the bullish engulfing candle, this one. That's give us the significant information that the bull is taking in control. So we have this breakout pullback. After this breakout pullback, and then this morning we have another pullback in intraday, and explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback in intraday. As soon as the price hit this level, which is, you can see here, price broken after the breakout price retest. That's what I explained to my trader. This is the target profit. If we're going to hit if the price is going to hit, we're going to take some profit. All right, so let me share with you how I analyze market yesterday and today, and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. And if I show you my intraday analysis, let me make it slightly bigger so you can understand. Okay, so this is the analysis based on the 4-hour. This is the analysis from yesterday. You can see here at this level. So explain to my trader, this is the pattern is developed. If you look at, we have explained to my trader sort of like a inverted head and shoulder pattern, the safest way if the price is going to break. We have this breakout, beautiful, as you can see, first target hit, bank few pp's, and afterwards, as always, after the breakout, we're expecting another pullback. That's what I did at the New York session. But as you can see, yesterday we haven't have a volatility. But I explained to my trader, keep an eye on this one. Probably at the Asian session, we might going to see this pullback. Momentum is bullish. As you can see here, pullback develop. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips. This morning, I explained to my trader, look for another pullback. As you can see here, we have this pullback. We are expecting another pullback or any pullback at this level. Explain to my trader, as long as the momentum is bullish. As you can see here, price broken. And as explained in analysis and through live ID commentary, we announce all these pullbacks, by the way, through live ID commentary, just to make sure trader can maximize the opportunities. We have this pullback, target hit, bank beautiful pips. Then we announce another one analysis. This one explained to my trader just through live ID commentary, pullback, all these pullback announced through live ID commentary. Based on the 4-hour, we have biases develop, sentiment is developed long, and keep taking a pullbacks pp's on intraday bank beautiful pips. So at the New York session, price developed sideways market. Explain to my trader, look for another breakout. Momentum is strong bullish, so we have this breakout trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on Euro USD. We were short and then long. Let me share with you the pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar, if you look at the 4-hour chart, beginning of the rest of the whole week, we were short. We were basically taking all this. We have taken all these pullbacks. You can find all of this analysis in my previous videos, which is the link is given in the video description. Okay, so yesterday technically we were short, as you can see here. We had this short trade here, bang, beautiful pips. And today afternoon, once the price developed a false breakout, and then we have taken a long trade here at the New York session and explained to my trader, look for this one breakout, but we had a beautiful short yesterday and today, beautiful long, bang, beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Basically, if you look at here, we explained to my trader possibility of reversal, which price nicely developed a reversal. So we'll see if the price gonna break this level, then long here, otherwise short trade here on next week. But let you know, guys, if I show you my intraday analysis, how I analyze market from this level to short trade here, bang, few pips, then long here. And if you look at the intraday analysis, this is the analysis I did from yesterday, and that was the analysis. The traders were expecting possibility of long, but I do in detail analysis. That's what I explained to you. Look for pullback, because if you look at here, the price came back here and develop here. We're looking here, another pullback. This is the level, or if the price is going to break this one, then we will consider a short trade here. That's what I explained to my trader. Once, as you can see, we haven't seen any green candle here. That's why the intraday system help us. We say, guys, price is coming down. At this level, the trader was still confused whether. I said, okay, no problem. I did another analysis, give them more detail about the price action. This is what I say. This is what happened here. You have this one, price came back here, develop here, and so I said, if this level, as you explained to my trader, if this is gonna break, then long here, otherwise short trade here. What happened here? Breakout as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy a profit. So we had a beautiful short trade on pound dollar yesterday. As always, after the breakout, I explained to trader, look for another pullback. So we have another beautiful pullback, price this level. Even this morning, I explained to my trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, we should be expecting a pullback and breakout. We're only going to take a counter long if the price is going to break and give us the confirmation. So what happened here? Price broken. As soon as the price hit to the support level 4 hour this morning, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. As always, after the breakout, we were looking another pullback. But what happened here? As you can see here, price respected at the major support. Expected the price might going to reverse, but we need a valid technical entry, and that's what I explained to my trader. Technically, price should respect here, but did not. Price came back here, then the price is retesting here and it's gonna break, but we need a valid technical entry, and that's what I explained to my trader. If you can see here, this is the 2 points. If the price is gonna break, then long here and then keep taking a pullback. Now we have a confirmation here. If you look at here, sort of like you can see here, inverted head and shoulder pattern. There was a beautiful breakout, few pp's, and afterwards pullback. I say, guys, keep taking it until the price can hit this resistance level. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had amazing trade on pound dollar. Yesterday we were short all pound pairs, bank beautiful pips. This morning only we had a pound dollar. After the short, we had long trade, beautiful pips. All right, guys, so let's move into the dollar CAD. All right, so in dollar CAD, if you look at the dollar CAD here, yesterday I explained to my trader, look, this level, which is technically price broken and retest if the price is going to break, but look like price has developed in 4 hour bullish flag pattern. So the safest way and the high probability, if we take in dip, you can see here at this level. So that's what I explained to my trader, and I did the analysis at the Asian session traders last night, and most of the traders have taken this long and they really enjoy this rally. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader. You can see here, price respected, explained to my trader to bank some profit. Now I'm going to show you how I analyze market in intraday and refine the entries and exit. That's the very important. Once we understand what's happening in the market. Okay, so this is the analysis I did explain to my trader. look for this breakout last night. As you can see here, sort of like a price develop a head and shoulder pattern, but I explained to my trader this is the level which is previously price respected. If the price, and this is the trend resistance line, so which explained to me if the price gonna break, going to take a long trade here, otherwise short trade here. As you can see here, price develop a double bottom in intraday, give us the sign. We have this breakout. We have already have a sentiment developed long on 4 hour. As you can see here, bull flag pattern. I said to my trader, just keep taking it, pull back or just hold it at least the previous high. This morning, as soon as the price hit this level, and explained to my trader it's time to enjoy a profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. Then at the New York session, explained to my trader, if you look at the price develop another intraday flag pattern, bullish flag pattern. We have another breakout, another pullback. As soon as the price hit, develop a double top here, price hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. That's it, enjoy profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. The best trade we had that was the all yen pairs. We have a short bank, beautiful pips. Let me share with you the best trade I traded today, even yesterday at the Asian session. That was the pound yen. We made an amazing profit, guys. Let me share with you. We were short from here. From this level, because the price developed a triangle pattern. Once we have this breakout, after the breakout, price develop, come back here, retest this trend, which is the support, now become resistance. That's we have taken a short trade here. Explain my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. Even today, when the price hit this level, we also had a counter long trade here, bank some profit here. From there, we were short again. So we have taken all from here to here, then back normal here, long trade, bank counter trade profit, then short here. Let me share with you all this intraday analysis from yesterday here, and all of this intraday analysis. So if you look at the euro yen, even if you look at from yesterday, we had this price develop this situation, as you can see here in 4 hour. This is the basically okay, that's what situation developed. This is, I'm talking about this one. In intraday, we have this situation. Explain to my trader, price develop respected. You can see a triple top here. So looking at breakout, that's breakout from yesterday. Price, I say guys, breakout. So we have price hit this support level, this level. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. When I see the price developing a double bottom here at the support level, enjoy some profit. This is the first trade we had it. Then afterwards, price came back here. You can see inside candle pattern is developed. But if you look at it in the intraday, this is the situation is developed. So that's what I explained to my trader. Look for breakout and a possibility. I said to possibility price might going to break at the Asian session, because the yesterday New York session was quiet. So we had this breakout. Explain to my trader, just keep taking it. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So beautiful short trade here. And when the price came back at this level, then I explained to my trader, look for counter long trade here at this level. As you can see here, price nicely respected at this level, and we had a beautiful counter long trade. Once the price hit this level, I explained to my trader, now we have another confirmation. If you look at, we have an inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout, and all these trade I explained through, keep taking a pullback through live audio commentary. 1, 2, beautiful. We had amazing from here to here. As soon as the price hit this level, I explained to my trader, bank some profit and look for short, and then look for another pattern. We have another sideways market, price broken after pullback, beautiful. Even price nicely hit this level, bank beautiful pips. I said to my trader, let's come back to the New York session. So at the New York session, you can see here price reverse at this level, and that's to explain to my trader, look for breakout, and the safest way after the breakout, pull back. That's what explain what happened exactly. You can see here price broken, and after the breakout, pull back. Explain my trader, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, bank beautiful pips. Once that done, price develop another correction, which is I also explained here. You can see here, and Once that is broken, and that's what I explained to my trader, keep taking it and pull back, pull back. So we had beautiful this pullback. You can see here from here to here, then back, then continuation. So we had amazing trades on pound yen bank. That's what I'm saying to you guys. Today is the blessing Friday. Most of the traders bank amazing profit, amazing profit. All right, guys, that's it. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis and the explanation in the real time. That's the key. At the moment, I'm just showing you whatever we have done it. But if you see it live, that's the interesting part of it. And then when you're banking the profit in real time, that's the more interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, if you're still struggling in forex trading and you need help, that's what exactly my main objective, to train and coach trader with a live market through live intraday analysis through this platform. And once they develop their trading skill and produce consistency result, I also help them to get funded from platforms. So if you are interested how I coach and train in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And most welcome. And even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.